First off, I want to start with what's probably causing all this market madness. It's oil, obviously. What's going on there? We're looking at a massive drop, a seriously heavy one, like over 12 to 13%. Plus, we opened with a gap, which almost never happens. Because of that, the dollar index is acting totally haywire, and we're seeing these random spikes popping up out of nowhere. We get these situations every now and then. Look at this, another spike out of thin air. There's just no way to give a signal for something like that. Why? That's because the asset's price is way too far from the level. Expecting a move like that, especially in the middle of the night, is basically impossible. That's what went down with the dollar. But we did manage to snag a few trades, like AUD. I'll show you now. I put out a buy signal for AUD at 70,210. Here are the signals I recommended today. Let's look at today's signals, and I'll explain why I picked them. AUD was basically the only one holding its ground, closing strong and moving into a long zone. In the end, it gave us a pretty solid move. Everything else, the yen, NZD, euro, didn't give that long signal. AUD was the only one that actually worked out. The same goes for GBP. It just exploded out of nowhere, raced toward the level, and then the level stopped it. Obviously, if oil keeps tanking, the majors are going to keep climbing against the dollar. Let's take a look at the Canadian dollar. The move is just total nonsense right now. Then there's oil. It makes sense that gold and silver would react, and they both did pretty well today. Honestly, if you look at the news about the Strait of Hormuz and what's happening there, it's clear that there's no logical end to it in sight. The US says everything's fine and will reach a deal, but if not, we will just crush them. Iran says that they couldn't care less and will keep fighting for as long as it takes. It's really tough to formalize what's happening in the market right now. That said, I'm still sticking to my technical analysis and whatever signals I come across. Check out silver and gold. There wasn't a signal there, but the S&P at 7,290 was a great signal. We got almost 40 pips, which is about 0.6%. Pretty solid, I'd say. Not a bad move at all. Plus, it opened and just took off. The S&P gave a killer signal because the close looked great. We also had a long on BTC at 79,472. But honestly, I don't get why BTC is stuck. It's in a strong long zone, but just can't seem to push higher. I've got no clue. We're seeing these massive, messy pullbacks in crypto that don't make any sense. It's getting really hard to figure out what's going on and why.